Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Hotmart application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hotmart application on your device, and if you haven't logged out from the application, you will directly be taken into your homepage. In order to log out, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see your user account information. You can tap on the exit button and this will log you out from your Hotmart account right away. If you wish to log back in, you will need to tap on the start button and proceed forward by entering your credentials, which include your email address and your password. After typing them in, you can tap on the login button and you will be logged into your Hotmart account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Hotmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.